Welcome to InfoWorld TV. Here is your daily artificial intelligence and technology news bulletin. First tech update. OpenAI has expanded its Sora video generation engine for enterprise content studios globally. Hardware news. Nvidia has started mass shipments of its flagship Blackwell AI architecture to major data centers. AI breakthroughs. Google launched Gemini 2.0, introducing ultra-low latency real-time voice and vision capabilities. Robotics progress. Commercial manufacturers have officially integrated autonomous humanoid robots into industrial production lines. And in cybersecurity, next-generation AI defense networks successfully intercepted complex cloud infrastructure threats in real time. Thank you for watching InfoWorld TV. Please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with daily technology news.